Hi, this is Brandy, and this is Hound Dog Hollow. Today I'm opening my June Sooni pouch. Came in this mailer. Let's set that aside. Sooni pouch is a Korean beauty box. It comes in 3 tiers. This is their biggest tier, which is the Sooni pouch. Let's check out what's inside. Alright, it's always got this like almost clothy type wrapping paper. So insert. Madagascar side mask sheet. Cool. Pearl glitter essential mask sheet. I don't think I have either of those. Changing you magic foot thing. If you haven't heard from one of my videos, I tried one of these once and it was not my jam. It really does peel your feet, but I'm not super fond of being a leper, so that's probably gonna find a new home, but people love them. Ooh, snail sheet mask. Snail, yeah. Oh, this is pretty. Mascara remover, One Shot Clean by Etude House. I love it. Is this your damn yum bit? It sure is. Prime Luxury Gold Intensive Emulsion. Cool. Emulsions are usually kind of light and I can tolerate them. Ooh, this is really pretty. Let's it's really cool. Cool looking. What do we got? Picky Bicky Art Pop Enamel Tint. Cool. Ooh, Innisfree Green Tea Mist. I've never had a mist in like an aerosol container. That's kind of cool. We're going houseboating next month, so that'll definitely be a helpful refresher when you're covered in gross lake water. And of course these cute little samples. Collagen Nutrition Emulsion. Collagen Nutrition Toner. So toner, emulsion. Collagen Nutrition Toner. And then Collagen Nutrition Emulsion. Cool. Let's read about this. Yadam Yum Vit Prime Luxury Gold Emulsion. Intensive emulsion made with phytoplacenta and royal jelly extracts to provide deep moisture. Tony Moly Picky Bicky Enamel Tint number 4. Smudge proof water-based enamel tint that leaves lips naturally flush for hours. C&D. So CDEF. So it's Skin Collagen Nutrition Toner, 2 of them, and 2 of the emulsions. Innisfree Green Tea Mist, refreshing facial mist with freshly double squeezed Jeju green tea for immediate hydration and healthy glow. Etude House Makeup Remover. Mascara remover. Mascara remover that easily removes even waterproof mascara. Before using, shake well to mix the oil and water. Wet the cotton pad and put on closed eyes for 20 seconds. Wipe clean and wash. Tony Moly Magic Foot Peeling Shoes. 3W Clinic Essential Snail Mask. Nature Republic Real Comforting Mask Madagascar. And it's Skin Pearl Glitter Mask. So pretty cool box. I'm digging the masks. I like that I got so many masks. Really like this. I've never tried these. I'm curious about this mascara remover because I've never had one that marketed explicitly to mascara, and that's my absolute least favorite part of wearing makeup is taking it off, and especially I feel like my mascara, which is on, I even switched away from waterproof and it still sticks really bad, and I feel like I lose lashes. So it kind of inhibits me from wearing more makeup. Not that I'm gonna wear it like every day, but I probably would on the weekends once in a while if it wasn't such a pain in the butt. Anyways, this is Sooni Pouch, June 2019. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.